Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an ad on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete any ad that you have set, click on the menu icon at the top right and then click on Manage My Ads. From the ads page, just click on the three dots alongside any ad that you wish to delete and you will see the delete ad option. Once you click on this, you will be asked whether your ad was successful. You can choose the answer based on your response and then you will see the delete button. Click on the delete button and this ad will be deleted from your Gumtree account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your ads on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.